Hi guys, how are you all? How are you all? See, I'm in Ivory Coast and it's a beautiful brand new day.
Tom, 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 Tom.
This is my sister. Yes. Elle s'appelle Rosa. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today, you see my hair is so messy, so we're going to fix my hair. We are coming to eat before we go and braid our hair. I have heard that Ivorian hairstylists are creative and super talented. Today, we are going to use my hair as a lab rat. Please pray for my hair so it doesn't spoil. Let's eat my bread first. So this is what is inside. It is spaghetti, egg, fish fillet. There is also a bit of avocado and some mix and things. We're not going to joke here. We're eating everything, Sam. Girl, why not? So let's have the first bite and then let me give you guys my feedback. So after buying the food, my aunt is here, so we're going with her. She's going to drop us at the salon. Yeah. Since we're on our way to the salon, let me leave you guys with some tips. Before you go to a new salon in another country to do your hair, it's best to prep your hair yourself because some of these braiders are just simple roadside braiders with little more than a comb and mad skills. I mean mad skills. Also, you should be aware of the tightness of the braids. Let them know when it's too tight. Right, morning. We are going to the salon.
I go to the salon, you first cheveux nice.
Côte d'Ivoire is known for their stunning and detailed braid work. Hairstyling here is very unique. Here is the interior view of the salon where I'm braiding my hair today. Fermier la bouche. So you guys, so she's now quiet. I initially took a style that I was going to braid, and with the style I chose, my auntie saw it and she was like, no, I shouldn't choose this style because what will show that I came to Ivory Coast? I need to explore the braiding style of Ivorians. So we have changed the style and I'm having mixed feelings about it because I have never done anything of that sort before. I haven't even seen that kind of hairstyle in Ghana. She wants me to do a hairstyle that when I get to Ghana, they'll be like, where did you do it? Where? Like, because something that is one in town. So you guys, like, I took the challenge and then we're going to try something new. You guys are going to be the judge and say whether it was a hit or a nah, okay? This is the color of the hair extension that would be used in braiding my hair. As I said earlier, we're going to do something unique, something I have never done before. So the choice of the hair extension color was something unique. Since I had already prepped my hair in Ghana, she started with the braids. She started braiding the hair at 11 a.m. Throughout history, braids have played an integral role in terms of defining social classes, representing tribes, and mapping escape routes for slaves. From classic cornrows, three-strand braids and more, braids go way, way back. So for the start, I was complaining on the size of the hair because I felt it was too tiny and my hair is a lot. So I felt it was going to take a long time. Viens laisser cheveux. Yeah, c'est bon. So here's the portion that is going to be braided as cornrow, and this is the remaining of the hair that should be braided as 3-strand braids. We have a very long way to go, you guys. One fact about Ivorian hairstylists is that They are very good with color blending. They can blend two hair extension colors for it to look so beautiful and unique. So it's 1 p.m. and then we are still on it. We are still not done. But she's the only person who has been braiding. Just that one lady also helped at this part, and then she's also here. So it's just for this, and then this, and then this. This one unless tomorrow morning, though. But I believe they are pretty fast. So
What's the style?
the style.
Yeah.
Say they will do logoligi here. Do you know logoligi? I'll spring it. Do you know logo spring it?
Macaroni.
They'll curl here like macaroni or spaghetti. They'll curl the down part and they'll do here some style. And then they're doing here, they'll do here corn roll. And then they're doing here. You guys, I don't need to like spoil the mood. Just wait, and then you voila it.
Surprise!
Ta-da! They are done with the part that will be braided as 3 strands braids, and now moving on to the cornrows. Some people report getting their hair braided in Cote d'Ivoire for as little as $10, which is approximately 7,000 CFA franc. That is 113 Ghana cedis. Braids are not just style. This craft is a form of art. Let's see how creative these Ivorians are going to be with my hair. Here in Ivory Coast, bright hair colors are so normal. Going for half time. The hair is a lot and I have to eat. So right now we're going to eat acheke and pork. So
Pork sauté.
pork sauté. Pork sauté. So j'ai faim. Oh, je suis faim.
J'ai trop fait.
J'ai trop faim. Hey. But like so far so good. So as you can see, this is the update on the hair. I'm coming to eat, and then after eating, we see what next. What next? And then honey the clear.
No, c'est
The work. No look bad. Now look at that, they are done with the braiding and they are about to put it in hot water for it to set. One thing I also noticed was that the hair extension that was used in braiding my hair was super soft. It was very soft. Dear, keep watching this video because magic is about to happen. We are not done yet. You guys, I was already loving the hair as at this point. After putting the hair in hot water for it to set, they're about to curl the ends of the hair. We can't wait for this magic. I bet you would love this. So she curls it on a curler and then puts it in hot water again. I won't let you see what happens to it. Let's watch how she does it for the second time. Then we see how the result is like. Now she cuts the ends of the curls. You know, the hair wasn't braided at the same length. They all have different lengths, and this can only be done in Ivory Coast. Dear, what are you waiting for? The cost of the braids, including the workmanship and the extensions used, was 20,000 CFA franc, which is approximately $29. At 6 p.m., they finished braiding the hair. Finally, we are done with the hair. As you can see, this is I don't
Wonderful.
know what. No, I want French word. French.
Yes.
Magnifique.
C'est magnifique. Magnifique. Chevaux, c'est
Magnifique.
chevaux, c'est magnifique.
C'est
See, you guys,
joli.
it is nice. This is beautiful. Beautiful is an understatement. I really loved it. Like, see, I'm not really a fan of small hair. I don't really like small hair. When they started braiding, I was super scared because I was afraid it was going to turn out to be so tiny. But you guys, I'm really loving this. I really love this. They are located in Abidjan. I will leave their number in the description box. Anytime you step in Abidjan, please come to this salon and do your hair because they have delivered. I mean, like they have done it. This is in Ivory Coast, only in Abidjan. So when you come to Abidjan, try to pass by this salon and then get your hair done, and also slay like how I am going to be slaying this in Abidjan and the rest of my life because I'm not removing it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in another video.